Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows two videos of bilateral renal parenchymal disease. You can see the liver and the right kidney, and renal parenchymal ecogensity is increased with loss of renal cortical thickness. The kidney measures 6.3 centimeter into 2.6 centimeter with cortical thickness of only about 5 millimeter, and the cortical renal parenchymal ecogensity is increased. Causes of the enlarged hyperechoic kidneys with abnormal architecture include renal vein thrombosis and congenital nephrotic syndrome. A second pattern is the hyperechoic small kidney with abnormal architecture. Many of these kidneys are dysplastic and associated with urinary tract obstruction. Now you can see the left kidney, and this kidney also shows similar changes. Now again you can see the left kidney from behind, posterior side, the patient on the prone position. You can see the kidney, and in this kidney also renal parenchymal ecogensity is increased and the cortical thickness is decreased. You can see this kidney measures about 7.3 centimeter into 3.1 centimeter with cortical thickness of about 5.5 millimeter. So both the kidneys are showing the loss of cortical thickness, are smaller in size, and parenchymal ecogensity is increased. So there is bilateral renal parenchymal disease. Now you are going to see the second video, and again you can see the kidney showing gross loss of renal cortical thickness and parenchymal ecogensity is grossly increased. Solid organs such as liver and spleen have intermediate ecogensity, and the kidney parenchyma consisting of cortex and medulla is normally isoecogenic, equal to its brightness, or hypoecogenic, darker compared to the normal liver or normal spleen. A hyperechoic mass in the tissue of the body that is more dense or solid than usual. This term is used to describe what is seen on ultrasound scan. Ultrasound uses sound waves that are absorbed by or bounced off the tissue, organ, and muscles. So chronic kidney disease, also known as chronic renal failure, is a progressive loss of glomerular function caused by long-standing renal parenchymal disease. Again, you can see the size of this kidney also decreased, and with the loss of cortical thickness and increased parenchymal ecogensity. So some common signs and symptoms that detect the renal parenchymal disease include swollen hands, feet, and eye, high blood pressure, anemia, bone changes, blood in urine, abdominal swelling, loss of appetite, itching. So I have described the grading of the renal parenchymal disease in the description of this video. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.